Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to your science class. Let's start with the chapter parts of plant. So we were studying the chapter parts of plant, in which we studied that plant have two parts, root and shoot. The root are of two types, taproot and fibrous root. Like carrot, mango and tulsi are the part of taproot, and fibrous root are wheat, onion, garlic. These are fibrous root. Function of root were roots fix the plant in soil, it absorbs water and help the plant to grow. And it also, roots like carrot, radish are used for eating. Then we read about shoot. Shoot have many plants, stem, branches, leaves, bud and flowers and fruits. Stem are of many types. They are woody, thick, thin or weak. Woody and thick, strong stems are called strong. They are the example of neem, mango and banyan tree. Then there are climbers like money plant and creepers like watermelon and pumpkin. Function of stem is to help the water and mineral absorbed by root to reach the leaves, and the food prepared by leaves to reach to different part of the plants. Again, then the next thing is some stems are eaten by us like potato, ginger and sugarcane. Then we read about the leaves. The leaves are green in color, thin, flat and small or big in size. The green color of the leaf due to chlorophyll. Leaf base is a part which is attached to the stem. Leaf stalk is the part of which joins the lamina of the leaf base. Now leaf blade or lamina is the part which is the flat green part. It has many veins. Middle of the lamina, it is called midrib. It is called midrib. Many side veins arises from the midrib. Now function of the leaf is to prepare food. It have holes to help the plant to breathe, and it contains the extra food. Then we eat such leaves like spinach, cabbage, lettuce, mint and coriander. Leaves are also called as the kitchen and food factory of the plant. Kitchen and food factory of the plant. Then we eat spinach, cabbage, mint and coriander. We also read an amazing fact that there are more than 2 lakh identified plant species that have growing in all the list, and the list is growing on. Then we studied about the most beautiful part of the plant, that is the flower. Flowers are the example that how the plant can look very beautiful, and it is a part of the plant that help to reproduce. Like the flowers turn into fruit, and these fruits have seed. So example of flowers were rose, jasmine, hibiscus, lotus, water lily, etc. So function of flowers are they bear seed. Flowers turn into fruits. Fruits bear seed, and seed helps to grow a new plant. Flower give us nice smell, and it also used for gifting purpose as gift. Along with that, flowers are also used for decoration of house and gardens. Some flowers like cauliflower and broccolis are the vegetables that are a kind of a flower, and we eat them. Now let's read about fruits and seed. Flower turn into fruit. I earlier told you the flower help in reproduce. How they turn into fruit? Fruit have seeds inside them. Some fruit such as mango and coconut have only one seed. So now mango season is there na, but thus if you cut a mango, whenever you get a mango, your mama will peel it, chilwa ke. When you cut a mango and you eat, you see there is inside one seed. The thing which we call mango, the gutli, that we call gutli in Hindi, it is actually the seed of the mango. It is called the seed. It is used to grow another plant. Some plants have only one seed, that is mango, coconut. Some plants have many seeds like papaya and guava. Papaya means papita. If you cut a papaya, you see it is green or yellowish outside. Then there is lot of pulp if you eat it, and in between there are lot of small black seeds. Guava, that is amrud also. You cut that guava, it is sometimes inside red in color or white in color. You eat this guava, and in mid you see lot of seeds are there. The fruit protects the seed. Now what is the function of the fruit? Its function is to protect the seed inside the plant. We eat the food, and the seed is used for growing a new plant. seed grow into baby plant. Now when you put any kind of seed in soil, whatever seed you have, ask your mama give you any seed, any fruit or any vegetable or anything that you are eating, ask your mama to give you a seed, you put it inside your soil and then you plant it over there, give water, proper sunlight, and you see a small plant will grow. Every seed contains a tiny baby plant inside it. Now all the seeds have a small baby plant inside it. When the seed get air, water, sunlight or warmth. Now when the seed get all these things, what all things? Number 1 air, number 2 water, number 3 sunlight, and number 4 warmth. The tiny baby plant begins to grow. It begins to grow. This is called seed germination. When the growing of the seed, inside the seed there is a small plant, and when it starts growing into a plant, this process is called seed germination. Most plants reproduce through seeds. Now, how most plant reproduces? Some of the plants like potato, ginger, and some other beetroot. These are the plants that have their own roots, their stem, and they are only used to reproduce a new plant. But most of the plant, almost whatever plants are there, maximum of them are using their own seed to grow. Their seed is put inside the soil, proper air, water, sunlight and warmth is given to them, and they grow into a new plant. Now 2 homeworks are there. First of all, you will read the chapter. You will go through that parts of a plant are roots, stem, leaves and flowers. The flowers turn into fruits. The fruit has inside it seeds. A seed grow into a plant. Now, the 2 homework, number 1, you will read the chapter very carefully. Number 2, you will ask your parents to help you to grow a new plant. You need not to go out. You take any seed, put in your house in a plant, and you can grow a new plant. Third, you will read this full chapter and write at least 20 difficult words in your rough copy or fair copy or whichever copy you are using for science. In that copy you will write 20 difficult words. Okay, you will go through this whole chapter, whatever we have studied, you will go through them and then you will write 20 difficult words. Okay, chalo, bye, take care, we'll see you in the next class. Bye children.